Instead of worshiping, members of an Ellis County church could only stand there and stare at what used to be their sanctuary. CBS 11's Kristen Severance talked to the pastor who said that the 27-year-old church isn't going anywhere.
This is the sanctuary, or what's left of the sanctuary, in the Ovilla Road Church of the Nazarene in Glen Heights. Even with this rain, even with all of this debris and damage, people have been showing up all day to try to help Pastor Ron Adams clean up and to see what they can salvage. Pastor Adams said they had a service this morning. He explains why it was so important to get together and pray.
We sang a couple of songs, Amazing Grace and Victory in Jesus, and we just praised God that nobody was hurt and that our mantra as of last night is bigger and better.
You're going to rebuild bigger and better.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. That's how God does things.
Pastor Adams said there was something else that gave him hope things are going to be okay. Even with all this debris, in all of the rubble, one thing didn't get damaged: the dove from their stained glass window. Kristen Severance, CBS 11 News.